Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to show you how to promote JVZoo products on YouTube. Now I've got my own YouTube channel. I'm going to show you around that, explain to you why I make certain videos on that YouTube channel, and then how I promote various products from JVZoo using YouTube to drive traffic over to my offers. Now I'm going to show you a diagram of how this works to start with, so you understand exactly where this all fits in. And I'm going to show you some free resources as well that you can use straight away to start making videos for YouTube. So just before I start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'm going to give you a free resource there that'll take you through the whole process step by step. So if you look at this diagram, this is the funnel that I use whenever I promote any of my offers on JVZoo. Now I do it a slightly different way, and a lot of people will have a video on YouTube, put a link in the description, and then go straight to the JVZoo product, and then they may or may not get a purchase. The big problem with that is you've only got one chance to actually sell those particular products or services to people, and if they don't buy, you've got none of their details, and then they'll just leave and you won't be able to see them again. The better way to do this, especially if a product is past the launch phase and it's into the kind of evergreen phase on JVZoo, is to have some form of review or opt-in page or bonus page that people have to give you details to actually go ahead and get those bonuses or actually access the product. Now, they will give you things like their email address, and this allows you to get them onto your own autoresponder email list, and then you can provide lots of things like value type emails to them, as well as the kind of selling emails that you see all the time in your own, right? Now, this is incredibly powerful because this allows you to have more than one chance to actually sell that one affiliate product that you wanted to sell, and also be able to promote other things to them once they trust you and you're actually providing value to them. So this is the way that I actually do it. I have a YouTube channel that gives a number of types of videos on here. I have both value videos, and I'll show you the example of these, and review videos. You come over, they come over to the link here, and then I'll go to an opt-in page here or a bonus page. Now there is a slight difference in the way that I approach certain products. If it's a bonus page, they'll come over to the bonus page, they'll like what I'm actually offering, they'll come down here, they'll click on an affiliate link, they'll go over to the JVZoo product, and then if they purchase, in their actual purchase email, they get a link over to my bonus opt-in page. So rather than get an opt-in here at this end, I'm actually going to get an opt-in when they go ahead and collect the bonus. So it's a slightly different way of doing it, and it's very effective if people actually want to have your bonuses, right? The other thing you can do is just have a straight opt-in page here where people will opt in and then be sent over to the JVZoo product. But sometimes it's better if you can give them some kind of bonus, or maybe it's some kind of lead magnet that says, hey, get this free report off me. And once they go and opt in there, you send them their report, and at the same time they go straight over to the JVZoo product. So it's always better to offer something for their email address. So rather than send people straight from here straight over to the JVZoo product, you have this bridge page in here that either acts as your review page, as an opt-in page, or a bonus page where you're trying to capture people's details before they go ahead and view the actual product. So I jumped over to my actual YouTube page here, and what you have here is a number of different types of videos that I do to help people make money online or build a business online, right? And that's why this niche works well for me with things like JVZoo or ClickBank or Warrior Plus, is because these are the overall topics that people are looking for, and at the same time you can always promote other things to them that are going to give them value. Now I have other videos that I will put below in the description that tells you all about JVZoo, how to go and find good products, how to get the affiliate links, all of that. In this video I want to concentrate more on how to actually use YouTube to promote them, okay? So if you look at my channel here, various types of videos on here. This is a value video about Warrior Plus, the JVZoo beginner's guide. You have the Warrior Plus product promotion one here. You have ones around affiliate marketing, again, JVZoo product promotion. So lots of different types of videos that cover various aspects of how to make money with these various platforms. Now, for a actual promotion of a product on JVZoo is the one that I did for QuickList, which is currently on JVZoo, which is all about how to create good lead magnets and having checklists as your lead magnets. So if you come down here and actually click on this video, you'll see the video here. Now this video is about 20 minutes long, so 18 minutes long, and it basically takes you through the whole product. So I'm actually going to show you in this video how I actually make these types of videos for these reviews. But here's the video itself, and you come down here, and if I go along and click on the link in the description, which is over here, you'll see that it goes over to a bonus page. So here's the overall review of the product, and then I have some bonuses here that I'm going to give if people go ahead and buy this product. So you see this page here is actually this page here in my diagram. So this is my actual review stroke bonus page, and that's what it looks like. And then if I go ahead and click on this link here, they'll come over to the sales page, and then once they actually go ahead and purchase, they get this purchase email, which will give them a link over to this bonus opt-in page. And once they actually opt in, they come over to my bonus page and they can collect my bonuses. So this allows me now to have people that have actually purchased various offers off me on my list, so that on an ongoing basis now I can provide value to them, send more and more information to them, and then also as I come across actual products and services that I like and I want to recommend them to them, I actually can go ahead and send those offers to them as well. So it's a much better way than actually using this method where you go from the actual YouTube video straight over to the JVZoo product, because if they aren't going to buy at that point, because they could be busy, they could be on a bus, they could be on their way to work, 1,000 reasons why they won't actually buy, that's the last time you will see them. So it's a much better way of offering them something up front so that they can get a little bit more value before they go ahead and look at the actual product itself. So I jumped back over to my channel, and I wanted to show you a couple of resources that you can use to make videos on YouTube. Now, you can do various things, like you can do PowerPoint presentations, you can share your screen, you can be on camera. There's lots of different ways that you can do videos. But if you're just starting out, I wanted to show you just a couple of resources that you could maybe use. So first resource is this Screen-cast-o-matic, and I'll leave a link to this in the description below. But Screen-cast-o-matic allows you to record your screen very, very quickly. You can start off for free. All you need to do is download this, and it'll allow you to record your screen and also have a webcam. So that's one resource that you can use. Now the second one is this BerryCast. Now BerryCast does actually download onto your Chrome, on Google Chrome, and you can actually have a quick start actual menu here on the right hand side that allows you to record straight away on your PC. And again, it's the same thing. It allows you to record either a webcam or, as you can see here, part of your screen, and this will allow you to start recording that part of your screen, and you see here it's recording right now. So these two resources you can use completely for free. Now, our 12-step action plan that you see in the link below, one of the modules in the action plan actually takes you through how to get started on YouTube and build a channel, and then go from building that channel to actually having videos on that channel that you can start building up your content with. So it's well worth going ahead and grabbing that, because all of the details you'll need are actually in there. So guys, I hope you found that useful. Again, I didn't go through JVZoo itself because I have videos that will cover that for you. I just wanted to show you an overview of what a promotion could look like once you establish a kind of presence on YouTube. And if you've already got a channel, some tips around the types of videos you can do rather than just straight promotion videos all the time. So guys, I hope you found that valuable. If you did, go ahead and give me a like, and hopefully subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you do want to pick up that free resource, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll see you soon. Until next time guys, take care.